What I'm going to be addressing is right over here. Right here is your relay box. Up at the very top, right up here, probably what you're not going to be seeing, there's a part that you can go ahead and press, which will help allow you to release the connection. What I've done is right here, this first slot is the actual day running light. Right inside, which you may not be able to see here right at the moment, is there is a little piece of plastic right there. If you take a small little flathead, you can go in and push it in there. You may have to actually go far enough in there to press it down. Go ahead and release it, because right in here, on the other side, it is very, very small. Right there, you can barely see that. That is what's connected. Once you depress that, it should naturally go ahead and start pulling itself back due to the tension of the cables there. Once you release that, put this back in. Get it connected. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. So as you can see, it is off. Now it's on. Ha 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 ha. Completely off. And it only does the dash. On.